So the true premise of a Halverson product is anything with 15.5 gallons a minute, a case drain, and 2850 PSI or more will run a Halverson attachment. So the SK1550 sports 16 gallons a minute and 3,700 PSI. So by the books, she should run it. Never put anything across this one yet. So we're going to give it a good go. I am running this off the in-cab harness. Yes, it's rough. It's all here. It's zip tied together, and do have the function buttons here. So, all right, let me set the tripod up, and we'll start making some little pieces out of big pieces and see how this big girl does. Oh, and by the way, this attachment does weigh like 1,700 pounds, just so you know. So there's a proximity switch inside the table that's tripping the table to stop at that set increment every time until I drop the grabber arm, and that tells the unit that the piece is sized, and then the table retracts the rest of the way on its own. So let me show you what this does. We'll fire it up. We'll use this button to split. I'm trying to run at an idle so that way it's not overly noisy. That's why it's going so slow. So we're almost to the wedge. Cylinder's all the way out. Now we're going to back it up. That's the set increment for the table to get that 16-inch piece. We drop the grabber arm. It feels the pressure. That tells the system that it's sized properly. The table is going back on its own. And then same thing here with the buttons and that hydraulically adjustable wedge. There's a diverter valve inside the unit, so that's this bottom right button activates the diverter valve, and then we use the grabber arm buttons for the wedge to go up and down, so we're all the way up. There's your down, and there's your up. But you do have to consistently hold the diverter valve button. Otherwise, it just reverts back to the actual grabber arm. So diverter valve, and then you get your up and down on the wedge.